Oculus Rift is a VR headset that mainly works by outputting two images with different perspectives for each eye in a 1080p OLED display to create a 3D environment for the user.
It attaches with a band like goggles and uses motion and position sensors to detect where the user is looking and leaning.
However, the Rift has to take many factors into account to make the VR more realistic. Users may experience dizziness, they can also be physically different, and manufacture process is expensive.
Also, some users may use glasses, and this may interfere with the quality. The input devices are images sent by the computer, the movement of the user's head given by the sensors such as gyroscope, accelerometer, and magnetometer. The outputs are the image displayed in two screens and the virtual movement.
The control feedback loop detects if both images are correctly positioned and adjusts them to fit the movement of the users. Otherwise, the wanted experience may not be achieved.
The algorithm is the following. First, the computer renders the two images and sends them through the USB and HDMI to the respective screens of the Rift. Then the images are outputted by the Rift, and if the sensors detect movement in X, Y, or Z coordinates, it sends to the computer the corresponding data to re-render the images in the next iteration of the loop, in order to imitate a physical movement in the virtual world.
The computer analyzes the data sent by the Rift and the controllers to process the next frame, and the loop repeats again. The control feedback is also running to generate a precise movement and experience.
The social impacts and ethical considerations are that for some users, the Rift may be too real and get too deep into it and get lost in this virtual reality environment.
However, it can also be good because we can generate medical research or investigation in other fields that can help us to create a more fluid workflow in the industry.
Thanks for your attention.